Hi, this is Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave. To display our phone numbers 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Nissan X Trail T31ST, stock reference number 4802. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left LED tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, LED type. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front 17-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Petrol Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.